Hey guys, welcome back to Zane's Big Bakes, and today I'm going to be making some scrumptious maple scones. Before we get started, the link of the recipe is in the description, and without further ado, let's get into it. Before we make the dough, preheat your oven to 400 degrees, heat a large and medium-sized bowl, a whisk, and a large spoon. Now we can make the dough. First, combine 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 1/2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk until combined. In the medium-sized bowl, whisk together 1 egg, 3/4 cups of heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of maple extract. Whisk until combined. Next, add in 1 stick of unsalted butter that has been chopped into about 8 pieces. Mash with a pastry cutter until crumbles form. After you add your butter, add your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients and start to stir with a wooden spoon. Once it starts to form a dough, use your hands to incorporate the rest. Move your dough to a floured surface and pat it out or roll it out into a circle or rectangle. Then cut it into triangles, however large you'd like. Make sure not to stretch it too far or it'll break and it won't cook properly. Now we can put these in the oven for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. While they're cooling, let's make the glaze. First, add in 1/8 cup of maple syrup, 1/8 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir until smooth. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome recipes. Also, check out my other 2 videos. See you next time.